another video. So today I'm gonna have an unboxing. I actually don't even know what came in the mail, but I'm gonna unbox it, set it up, whatever it is. I'm guessing that it's either a comforter or maybe like a sheet set. I'm not 100% sure, but let's get into the unboxing. Let's go. That was way too heavy. Oh, hold on. Okay. Almost broke my desk. Oh, look at that. Yeah. It's my comforter. Oh yeah, this is clutch. I needed this. So I got these two comforters, right? And I got one is white, which is this one, and then the other one is like I don't even know how to, it's like a suede, super light gray, almost off-white. And man, I really needed these. Oh yeah. This is really gonna bring my room together. Cause it's already looking nice, but the one thing that's messed up is my bed because there's no sheets. No covers, no comforters on it. So yeah, this is definitely gonna, yeah. All right, so it says a three-piece down alternative comforter set, full queen size bed. That's the size I have. So yeah, so it comes with a comforter and two shams. What is a sham? Sheets? Who makes zippers like these? Put the muscle on it. Ooh, vacuum sealed. I like that. Bro, y'all hear that? I'm so weird. Man, that smells good. Alright. Comforter. And the shams. What? Oh, pillowcases. Makes sense. Alright. So now I'm gonna set it up, see how it looks. So here's my bed. I know. So tragic, so ratchet. I really look like I live in a trap house. But don't judge me, y'all. Soon it'll be fixed. Pro tip, this is a major key. When you see how I have a queen size bed, right? But I moved it 8 inches away from the wall. Gives you a whole other portion to work with. so that I could put like more pillows back there, and y'all gonna see the setup when I get everything. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. Obviously it doesn't look as good as it will once I have everything else, like the sheets, the pillows, the other duvet that goes over it. It's gonna look fire, but I mean, it looks better than my trap house bed that I had. So yeah. Alright guys, so that was the video. Thank you for watching. That was the unboxing. Got the comforter set up, everything. I mean, it looks good. It looks better than it did before with no sheets and no duvet at all. But it's really gonna come together once I put my sheets up, my pillows, all that. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're interested in real estate, vlogs, faith, and unboxings, stay tuned, subscribe, because I have a lot more videos coming and a lot more fire content coming. Alright guys, peace.